If you want to start using Beehiiv, you should click on the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial and 20% off. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add UTM to subscribe form in Beehiiv. To add the UTM in Beehiiv, go to your settings on the left side, and then under the general info, scroll down, and you will see here the UTM analytics. This should be enabled. So let's talk about what UTM parameters are. So UTM stands for Urichin Tracking Module, and it's a simple way to track where visitors are coming from when they land on your website or subscribe to your newsletter. Now to add UTM, on the left side under audience, click the subscribe form and you will redirect it to its page. Now click the create new form and fill out information in here. It's up to you what content you are going to put in here. Now, once your form is ready, you will notice a three button on the right side of your subscribe form. Click that and you will see a drop down option which are view, edit, and delete. Select the view and you will see there a embedded code which appears with the first word iframe. Copy on that and then paste it into the HTML of the page on your website where you want the form to appear. Now, I'm not able to show you all how to add parameters to your page URL, but I'm going to guide you all to how to add them. Now, here's the trick to tracking UTMs. Add them to the URL of the page where your form is embedded. For example, if you're running a Facebook ad campaign, the URL might look like something like https://facebook.com/subscribe, and then it would have a question mark UTM underscore source equals Facebook and UTM underscore medium, and so on. That should be the format of your URL because that link tells Beehiiv to capture these UTM parameters and add them to the subscribers' data. And that's it. UTM tracking is an amazing way to understand which platforms are driving subscribers to your Beehiiv form. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.